Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable enhanced text contrasting to improve font rendering on your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge browser, and then I will have a link in the description of the video, guys. I want you to copy and paste into the URL address bar up at the top of the Microsoft Edge window here. So let me go ahead and just copy that, and then I'm going to paste it in to the top bar. Like I said, go ahead and hit enter. So where it says enhance text contrast, renders text using the same contrast and gamma settings that are used elsewhere on Windows. And you want to go ahead and toggle this to the on position. You want to go ahead and click inside the drop down and select enabled. And once you're done with that, go ahead and select restart. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.